Hello friends, hope so all of you are doing well, and in this video I am gonna show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra mic problem. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So if you are facing microphone not working while calling or when you record something it will not record in your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra smartphone. So to fix this problem, simply first of all you just need to open settings application in and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.